May profits be upon you. How you doing? How you doing? All right, we're going to take a look at gold. We're going to look at gold, man. I moved that big old watermark I used to have here. Just look up in the corner here or this corner here. You'll know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we're going to take a look at gold. I am bullish on gold for this week. All right, let me tell you why. Look at the bullishness prior, right? We're on a daily right now, and you can see we had a very nice run to the upside, right? That ended 8th of March, right? And then price for the next month went into correction, right? After every impulse comes that correction. No problem, right? So here we are, all right? And you're looking at price bouncing off of demand zones, right? And then respecting the lows of those demand zones. Here we have a nice deep penetration to the 50% mark, right, of this zone here. And then we start to see it break structure to the upside. All right, so on this time frame, I am bullish. Okay, easy. That's an easy one for me to show. All right, and here we have the supply up here, the higher time frame supply, and this is where price is reacting to. Okay, no problem. Good. All right. If we go down to the 4 hour, we're going to see this price action a little more clearly. If I can just stop doing that. All right. Now, here's a good reason I'm bullish. Okay. We're respecting the lows, but we're taking out these highs, right? Taking out the highs, respecting the lows. Taking out the highs, respecting the lows. All right, taking out the highs, respecting the lows. Taking out the highs. Here we are. All right. Now, that's bullish. That's bullish order flow. Keep that in mind. With this pullback here, it preserved this low. All right. We need to take a close look at that. Excuse me. All right. Let's take a closer look at this. And you can see that this zone, starting here, this zone was not mitigated. This demand zone was not mitigated. All right. Price came close to taking out that low. All right. And it didn't. It created relative equal lows, which is a magnet for price. So price is definitely, in my opinion, going to visit down here. We're going to see price come down here for this liquidity because there's plenty of stop losses under here to come and get. And I like to see liquidity grab a fair value gap filled on the way to mitigating a zone of supply or demand. All right, so this is set up perfect for that, for a visit down here and then a pop to the upside. All right. Now, it's not hard to figure that after looking at price make higher highs and higher lows all the way up, the expectation would be that we're going to make a higher low and continue to make a higher high. I mean, I like to go with the trend. I want to take pro trend trades. I'm only interested in taking buys. Why? Because I will not take sells in an uptrend. I will not start taking sells until I see demand fail. All right. So far, what we're seeing is supply fail. Can you dig that? All right. This was a supply zone. Oh, sorry. Doggone it. This was a supply zone. All right. Price respected it and then came back and took it out. All right. This was a supply zone. Boom, boom, took it out. This was a supply zone, a good one. This was pivotal. Look at it. It broke structure on the way down. This was an important one. Took it. reacted to it, took it out. All right, we know who's in control. Demand is, until supply takes back that control by breaking a demand zone. I'm still looking for buys. Until a demand zone is broken, I'm looking for buys. That's why that arrow is here. So when price does find its way down here, I'm looking for price to continue with the trend. This is a pro trend trade. And I think we're going to take out the supply here, excuse me, take out the supply. Now, how it does it is one thing. This is what I want you to watch for. Always look for the midpoint of these zones, especially ones that have been mitigated already, right? The 50% mark, after price comes back up in here past the 50% mark, for me, if price comes back up again, it's going to take it out because there's no more selling orders in there. All right, there's no more selling orders. So the zone is done, voided, end of story. All right, same thing with a demand zone. All right, because we're in the middle here, price could do a couple of things. It could go to the top side first, take out buy side liquidity, then drop, and then come back up. All right, or price could just continue higher from here. All right, there's a chance that it may come into this zone, this wick demand here, maybe to about the 50% mark, and then go up. It may not come back here. I'm pointing this out so you can be aware. If this, then that. That's the way you want to operate. All right, you want to react to what the markets give you. You don't want to be predictive. All right, you want to have a plan to so that you can just implement it, execute it immediately. You want to have a plan in place for the if then that point in time. So you understand? So what I'm looking at is this big rejection. I'm thinking that on the open price will maybe take up half of the wick. And then come out, take that sell side out, mitigate up here, and then we can come and get this well set up zone of demand. Bottom line is, if price comes to this zone, I'm looking for it to reject. All right, whenever it gets there. All right, I believe that this zone, this is the first mitigation. I believe the sell side liquidity is going to be collected. I believe the sell side liquidity here is going to be collected. So it's about, is it going to do this, that, or whatever? Might go top side first, might go bottom side first, but we're going to see that we're going to see both of them taken out, I believe. No, but I'm going to react to what the market gives me. I see it start trailing down, taking it once it takes out this candle. We know, it's probably going to come here, and this will give us a high probability trade, in my opinion. Okay. All right. I will see you in the next video. Hey, make sure you hit that like button. All right. If you like what I'm doing, if you like the value that I'm in my content that I'm trying to put out, hey man, give a like, leave a comment. All right. Say I'm doing well, or I'm doing bad, or I don't know what I'm doing, or whatever. All right. And let me know if things work out well for you with gold. Okay. I would love to hear from you. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you can catch those updates, and join me in Alliance Den FX in our premium Discord, the pay Discord that is free for the rest of April. Okay, it's free to join till the end of April. Come and get the value. Come and get the value. Come and see the value, and then you'll probably consider paying for a subscription to us in come May. All right, that's what we're looking for. I will see you later. Thank you.